bells.
We are made for love. We are made for togetherness. We are made for friendliness. We are made for goodness. Small cheers and happy morning makes a merry feast. Welcome new morning with good thoughts in mind, smile on face, love in heart. It is a matter of great pleasure to welcome the personality who is the inspiration for all. Leadership is the quality which transforms vision into reality. So we are blessed to have such personality with us. So I extend a cheerful welcome to Reverend Sister Leah Augustine, the manager of St. Anne's High School.
A great principal builds character, inspires dream, encourages creativity, builds confidence, instills a lot of learning and touches our hearts. And yes, we are very fortunate to have such an inspiring personality along with us. She is the headmistress of our school, Reverend Sister Dali. I am delighted to offer her a very happy welcome to you, dear sister.
I believe that true education is the art of dance, is the education of whole man dance, and it's being communication between the body and soul to express what is too deep to find in words. Dance is meditation in movement, or walking into silence where every movement becomes dance. So here we have a prayer dance by our loving friends.
Speech is power. Speech is to persuade, to convert, to compel. The power of speech is the ability to express a lot in a few words. So, here comes a speech expressed along with a creep.
Respected manager, honorable headmistress, and all teachers and dear friends. My name is Ibrahim Sheikh from 7th A. Today we are going to present the story of Saint Anne, the grandmother of Jesus Christ. So we are going to take all of you in 50 BC. Aren't all of you excited? God worked especially hard to find this ideal set for Jesus. Saint Anne and Joachim were a devoted religious couple. The family offered just the perfect environment of God. Years slipped by and no babies arrived. Petitions, prayers and promises. Follows 20 long years. Finally an angel appeared with God's special plan. Annie and Joachim had been selected to raise the beautiful baby girl they called Mary, who was to be the virgin mother of the Christ child. The feast of Saint Annie and Joachim is celebrated on 26th July. So happy feast day to all. Thank you.
Music is a piece of art that goes in the ear straight to the heart. Music is an outburst of the soul. Every song has its own heartbeat. The pulse in music is what makes it alive. So let's have a group song by
The essence of all beautiful art is gratitude. Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but it is also the parents of all others. It's my privilege to acknowledge the contribution of those who worked hard. My heartfelt thanks to Reverend Sister Leah Augustine, the manager of our school, for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and standing as a pillar of strength.
I also express my gratitude to Reverend Sister Dali, the headmistress of our school, whose strong leadership is the foundation of school success, and without you, that would not be possible. With a deep sense of appreciation, I thank our loving teachers for their untiring efforts. I also thank my friends who have put their hard efforts in this program. Thank you.